Hello guys, so today's vlog guys, we have the Canon Eos Rphy and the Canon RF50 1.8. So we're gonna test and try this cheapest full frame camera guys setup. So ayan, again guys, we are here in the AAB World Symphony and we are in the Canon booth area. So now guys, we have all the sample demo unit from the camera. We have the R5, the R6 camera, the 90D, the M50, and some of the RF lenses. So if you want to check our camera guys, you can visit us here in Symphony showroom and test our camera, which is the R5 and the R6 and some of the 90D and M50. So again guys, just come here and visit and yan. And you can select some of our lenses, RF lenses. So yan guys. But today's vlog guys, again we will test and check the photo quality of the Canon Eos Rphy with the Canon RF50 1.8. So again guys, this is the cheapest full frame camera now in the market, which is yeah, with the setup of 50 1.8. So this setup guys, it's a cheapest setup for the full frame camera. So again, let's test, check the quality of this Eos Rphy camera. So tara. Camera indoor, ayan, low light guys. Oh, diba? Maganda siya guys, panalo. Let's try outdoor guys. So again guys, it's 5:30 PM here in Kuwait. So ayan, we are here outside guys in Symphony Mall. So let's try to take some photos guys. Ajo. Dito tayo, Jo. Yan. Okay. Flip screen na siya guys. Touch screen, flip screen. Yan, you can focus and yan, isa pa, Jo. One more shot. Diba? Isa pa. Okay. So, isa pa tayo. Sunset. Yan, tayo ka lang dyan, Jo. One more. Okay. Diyan ka lang, Jo. Huli, nakatingin sa iba si Jojo. Pero okay. Dito ka, Jo. Yan, dyan ka lang, Jo. One more. Okay. Isa pa. Okay. $50mm for group photo. Tingnan natin. Yan. Okay, the other guy here. Join, pare. Okay, 1, 2. 1 minute ha. Focus. more. One more. Okay.
Tomorrow, send her.
Yeah, sure. I'll send tomorrow. See? So that's it for today, guys. So I will show you all the sample photos taken from the Canon Eos Rphy with the Canon 50 RF 50mm 1.8. So ayan guys, check na lang natin the quality ng mga photo. So let's go. And that's it for today, guys. So again guys, if you are looking or if you want to have a full frame camera that will not break your bank account, your wallet. Again guys, this is the cheapest camera full frame. Again, from all, compare for Sony or any full frame camera guys, it's the cheapest one. It's 349,950 kwa 80 dinar for the body of the camera. So ayan guys, if you want again to test the camera Eos Rphy or if you want to purchase a Canon Rphy, you can visit us in our showroom, Symphony showroom. So ayan nga guys. And again, if you want to know more about our Canon products, you can visit us here in Symphony showroom, or you can check to our website www.aabworld.com. So nandun lahat ang aming Canon cameras and also Sony and some of our cameras guys. So again guys, that's it for today. Ay masasabi ko lang si camera, this is one of the best full frame camera guys in the market. It's compact, see? It's smaller compared for the Canon Eos R6. Yan, medyo maliit siya sa R6. And ayan guys, it's again, it's a full frame camera. So yes, for me it's good for portrait photography if you have if you tie up with the Canon RF 50 1.8. It's also a cheapest lens, RF lens in the market. So ayan, for street you have also the 35, pero masyadong ano yan, well, 50 you can use guys, or if there's a 28 or 24 or 35 RF lens, so you can use also guys. So again guys, if you have also your EF lenses from your previous DSLR camera, you can buy the adapter guys and use in the new camera system, which is the RF camera. So magkano lang yun, 60 KD I think. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today. Flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin at members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang ating tropa ditong dalawa, si Brian Puntanar, na nasa likod ng camera ngayon, at si Palaboy OFW, na absent ka. Hindi siya absent, day off ngayon. So yun guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.